everybody. I am myself Akanksha Sanjay Tade. I am old student of ADSA's English speaking classes Tellara, and currently I am learning in the BSc Nursing first year. So today we are going to discuss on the topic how and why the difficulties are important while living life. So I will start from you, Diya.
Okay, myself Diya Santosh Kumar Rathi, and I am current student of Edison is English spoken classes. So now this time our topic is that how to face any types of difficulties in our life. So let's start these topics. Then, according to me, everybody should have in everybody lives means difficulties and challenges are comings, and there are many types of ways are available in our regular lives to face these challenges. So first this is important that we should means calmly face any types of challenges, because if we are get any types of tensions in those difficult situations, then on that times sometimes maybe there is lots of problems can be happen with us to face that challenges. So it is most important that we can face the any types of challenges calmly and perfectly, and we should not be panic in that situation, and we should show our courage that I can do this and I can face any types of conditions, any types of situations, any types of problems. So what is your opinion?
I am agree with you that whenever any tension come in your life, that's when we should realize that these are not the tensions. These are the chance to prove yourself that how intelligent you are or how hardworking you are. Because whenever just take an example of a little child. Whenever he just take birth on this earth, that time he means this environment is a challenge for him, because in the mother's womb he has nothing, any kind of tension, any nutrition he gets from the mother. So he did not need to do any struggle for that. But whenever he just come in this earth, that's time whenever he feels hungry, that's time he has to cry, because he knows until I won't cry, I will means I will not get my nutrition. So this is the challenge for him, that the goal is to achieve the food. So that's why he has to cry for that, because he has no any language to speak that I want this, I want that. So this is the challenge for that particular child. So whenever we just come, whenever we just take our birth on this earth, that's when the challenges are means they are God gifted, I will say, because whenever the challenges come, you must know, you must realize that if the challenge is means if I am facing the challenge, then I have the ability to destroy it or to face it and improve myself. Because whenever suppose just take an example, whenever first time you came in this class to learn the English, to speak the English, that's when you may have faced so many difficulties about the language, about the words, about the English language. Might you might be feel fear, because sometimes it happens that whenever a child come, every environment of this class is new for that student. So that's why he has to face that challenge. Means suppose sir has if, the teacher has given you any particular word, and he said you that make a sentence using this word. So that's why this is challenge for you to prove yourself, to show your intelligence, and to give the correct answer. So that's why if you are giving the correct answer, so it is improvement you are bringing in yourself. So this is why the challenges are important in your life.
Yeah, definitely. Challenges is the first steps of the success in our life, because without challenges we cannot be become a successful person in our life. And for becoming a successful person, we need to face any types of challenges in our lives. And in a student life also, we can face many types of challenges for our studies. And when we are giving our first step in our education, then on that time definitely we are learning some new things, and this is challenging for us, because we are seeing others that they are good in that, and means how can I do this, and which type of preparation can I do on that times, and how can I challenge, means how can I take these problems, then definitely you can take this as a challenge, as as to show everyone that I can do this and I am able to do anything in my life, and I am a successful person. I want to be a successful person. Then these types of things are come in your mind, then definitely you can be a successful person and you can get your success very easily, and definitely you can solve your any types of problems. You can face any types of challenges as a student, and as any other persons in your life. Many types of challenges are come. So what is your opinion?
As everyone is going towards the UPSC,
Yes.
means everyone is likely to choose that field due to the government exam. So the most challenging exam, I will say, that is the UPSC. MBBS means everything is a challenge for every person. No one is means born. No one has the God gifted intelligence.
Yes.
Everyone has to acquire that characteristic from the environment. So if we took the example of the UPSC, so that's time, there are some steps. First, you have to choose the mains, prelims. I think these are the steps in that examination, and after that, after giving the interview, you are able to perform the particular job. So whenever just the struggle starts from our own city, of from our own time. Suppose I have to prepare for the UPSC examination. So first of all, I have to just focus on my personal life, on my economical condition, that how much fees they are taking for teaching me the syllabus. So this is the challenge for me. Suppose I am just I have prepared a goal that I have to become an IS officer. So firstly, I have to collect all the information, all the data, all the statistics for that examination. Suppose just I means I am preparing for that, and now I decided that I will join the unique in the Pune. So first you have to mold yourself in that environment, because the environment also matters so more. Whatever things we are learning here, whatever things we are doing here, that are not same in the Pune city. Okay. So this is the challenge for you, that you have to mold the situation. You have to mold yourself in the situation and perform the particular task. Suppose tomorrow is your exam. So before one night, you may feel so stressed, so depressed, so frustrated that you can't do anything. So you have to just remember yourself. You have to give a reminder to yourself that no, I have to be the top in my result. I should be the topper of my class. So that's time you should teach yourself. You should remind yourself that I have to be winner, and for that thing I have to face this challenge, so that after crossing it, only I can be the winner of that particular field.
Yeah, definitely. This is all about the student life, but some situations are comes in a poor person life, and also rich
Life.
person's life, and means there are lots of difficulty to be a rich persons and also poor persons. So means there are lots of difficulties are coming in our lives in a regularly, and means in of that situations there is a one solution, and all solutions are available for every situations, for every problem, for every conditions, and I think that we should fail all of these conditions calmly and perfectly with the full confidence, and if you have a confidence, then definitely you can face your any types of challenges, any kinds of problems, and I think you should be develop yourselves in any other fields also, and if you are stepping in first times in any types of condition, then you think that I can do this, and this is I think that we should end this topic, and what is your opinion on this?
So friends, I will tell that you should take challenges as a chances, because our Grantha, our Gita, everyone means everything tells you that challenges are the chances given to you by the nature to prove yourself. So you should take the advantages of challenges, and you should make it the golden opportunity, because it is beneficial for you. It will be very good for your progress. So
Yes.
I will suggest you that don't be frustrated, don't be depressed whenever you are facing any challenges, because it is the law of nature. Because everything you can't get ready made. You have to prepare for you for that particular situation. So if you like our video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.